Hey guys, I'm back. I'm back with another SkinStar box. This month is November. I am sorry I'm a little bit late, but November got away from me and I was sick for a little bit, not with COVID, with a cold, and it took a long time to kind of clear and get out of my system. So I am better, and I just wanted to film this video. So my lighting's not great. It's kind of a gray day. There it goes in and out again. Whatever. You don't really need it to see what I'm going to explain to you. So, SkinStar Box, it is a South Korean beauty company, and they share with me a bunch of new to me skincare brands that you can then find online. And I really love getting these because they're all full-size products and they are tailored to the month that we are in. So this is November. I'm in New York, so November and December are pretty similar. So the November box and December box will be good for the next couple of months. If this is your first time watching me do one of these videos, I'll quickly run through what they kind of tell you in here. The box has evolved a little bit since I started first receiving them, but it kind of walks you through how to use these products. It shows you each product and it tells you how to use them, what they are, and like for each step. So like cleansing is the first step, skincare, and then special care. So I'll walk you through those, and then over here it's a nice little overlay of everything that's included. And so once I open this, this is exactly where the products will be. Pretty, right? I love it. So I will get started. And then on the bottom over here also, you can't really see that, but it says brightening and intensive. So those are the two like hit topics of the month. It says soft, bright skin, even with cold biting winds and dry heat, which is exactly the climate that I am in. Sensible items for skin that we recommend for preparing for winter. So that will be also brightening and intensive, which I do have very dry skin, so this is a very good thing for me. So I'm going to go through the top of this. I just feel like it's the most logical way to kind of go through the box with you guys. So the first one is cleansing, and the first item is the BRTC Centella Cica Foam Cleanser. I am so excited for this product. I've been loving BRTC products ever since they've been introduced to me, and I think that they did a rebranding because one of the first items that I received had totally different packaging than this, and this is just so clean and cute, and it looks really nice in your shower. Not that that's what you should be looking for when you buy skincare, but it's a nice plus. So this is the Centella Foam Cleanser, which is great for me. So what it says about the Centella Cica Foam Cleanser, is it is a hypoallergenic cleanser that contains Centella Astacia extract. Oh geez, Maida Casada. I'm so bad with pronunciations, I'm so sorry. And a plant moisturizing agent, which are all effective in soothing skin. It has an excellent derm test. I'm not sure if that's from Korean doctors or US doctors, but I just thought I would tell you that. And then it also has a little vegan sticker, which for, you know, vegans out there, that's great. And then it is also clean. So I believe Korea has higher standards than we do. Well, I think everybody has higher standards than the US when it comes to makeup and skincare. So all of their products are clean, which is awesome. The bottle itself looks like this. It's a nice like seafoam green bottle, and I am excited to try this. The other product in their cleansing category is the BRTC V10 Peeling Pads. I love these. I love them so much. This is the Vitalizing and Multivital Force. So this is a vitamin peeling pad that swipes off rough and dull looking skin. They are very similar to the First Aid Beauty exfoliant pads, but they give you way more. It's about 60 of it is 60 of these in one of these containers, and I use them whether or not I'm wearing makeup at night, I will take it after I'm done cleansing, and then I will swipe this all over my face to get any residue off. The pads are two-sided, so one is smooth and one has the little texture to it, so you can get a little extra exfoliation with that as well. Very cute container. My mom loves these too now, so love getting these. Then for skincare, oh, it also comes with this little tweezer that now I have a whole collection of that I don't use. I just use my fingers because I don't have time. I do have time, but I'm lazy. Okay, so next is skincare, and now I've tried a couple of these CLIV. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but this is their Vita C Brightening Ampoule, and again, I've tried the retinol, I've tried the hydrating one, and then I'm trying Vita C now. So this is great. These are awesome. It has a sticker, so it's going to take me a little while to open, but over here it says a brightening Ampoule that lightens up the tired, dull-looking skin. So I like to use these. I rotate them out each day and night. Like I have some that are, you know, retinol that I'll only use at nighttime. And then I have some that I'll use during the day. This seems like one that I would put, you know, like after my shower in the morning, I will put something like this on and then put my moisturizer on for the day. Very cute bottle, glass bottle, love it. Very, very nice. And then they also, I'm going to jump ahead a little bit just because I'm talking about CLIV and they always give you, well, they have always given me the corresponding mask, the sheet mask that goes with that. So there's 5 of them in here, and this is Radiance Ampoule that brightens the skin's natural light by adding brightness to lifeless dull skin. That's great that they give you both these. You could also do a double treatment where you put this on first and then you lay a sheet mask over that, and it just sort of locks everything in after 10 to 20 minutes. So love those. Back to skincare though, they also give you jojoba oil, which is by essenHERB, which is another brand that I have grown to really love through using SkinStar Box. And this is 100% jojoba oil, and they give you the actual name, the scientific name of that, which I'm not going to even try to butcher. But this is cold pressed jojoba oil, and it is great for your face, hair, and body. I also like to use jojoba oil for making roller balls as a carrier oil. So I think I might do an essential oil video. I am not like some guru about essential oils, but I've been really getting into using them since we've been in quarantine. Just, you know, like going to bed at night or during the day while I'm in my room or something like that. But I've made roller balls for me, my friends, my mom, just, you know, for personal use, and you can't just put oil directly on your skin or it can burn. I'm somebody that's sensitive, so definitely don't want to do that. But you use something like jojoba oil or coconut oil to carry the essential oil in. So this is unscented, it's just jojoba oil, and it's great because, like I said, you could use it anywhere. So my hands are very dry right now, so I'm going to put some on that. Okay, and then also for skincare, the PureHeals, oh, the light, sorry, the PureHeals Centella 80 eye cream. This is a great eye cream. I've used this now for a while, and I love the packaging. I love how easy it is to use and squeeze out just a little bit amount that you need. This is great, so I highly recommend that. And then the special care, we already talked about the mask. Next, I'm going to talk about the BRTC Vitamin C 20 Antioxidant Ampoule. That's exciting. So that says, with containing 20% of pure vitamins, it's a special care vitamin Ampoule that revitalizes the skin and presents radiance and antioxidant energy. So it comes in a box like this, and oh, cute. And it is a tiny bottle of the, it's not tiny, it's 20 milligrams, but of the vitamin C 20 20 antioxidant Ampoule, and it comes with a little dropper bottle, so I will just discard this and leave that inside. It's nice that they give you the option to keep this in or not, so I'm really excited to try that. And it does say to use this before bed, so that's what it says on the intensive directions. Okay, and then lastly is the BRTC Centella Cica, and this is Calming Cica Cure Complex. And this feels small, so I'm actually not 100% sure if this is for like all over your face or what, but I'm going to read this really quick and so I can tell you guys. So this is with containing 10,000 ppm of fixed quality Centella aesthesia extract. It soothes sensitive and delicate skin. Where it tells me to use it is for brightening. So it's like a spot treatment for red and sensitive skin areas. So you can transform dull looking sensitive skin to bright and soft. So it's just a little, almost like gel-like consistency. And then you can just put that, I mean, you could just rub it all over your face. But I have makeup on, I shouldn't have done that, but whatever. So I'm very excited to try this as well. And that is everything in the November box. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.